Hi, I'm Tori, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add a test and inspection and test sample results on Sage Construction Management. We are going to start on the home page right now. Go into projects. You can select it from the list or click those hyperlinks below. Once you get to your project home, you are going to scroll down to QC and safety and click test/inspections. Here you are going to go to actions, then add manually. Your project number will be put in for you. You have the option to add a prime contract as well. The test number will be put in for you. You need to select the type and the subject. You can put the description. You are able to attach links and photos to this as well. Down here are the references. You can use the test frequency or standard test number, spec section, or other. Press next. Here you are going to have this already filled out, prepared by contact. You're able to change that. You put in your location. Put in your testing company. Testing facility. And then your status. If there was a sample taken, you're going to put in your sample date, the time that the sample was taken, who the sample was taken by or prepared by. The location is going to be put in for you and prepared by. They filled them out for you. The quantity and the size. You can press Add and Next. Drag files here or link existing, or skip and finish. To add test sample results, you will go down to the samples and test results. You can edit the list or add new samples. And that is how you add test and inspection samples and results on Sage Construction Management.